Welcome to Life is Better with Books channel. This is Sara and I'm Jana. Today we are going to be doing a storyboard tutorial.
Here are some storyboard examples.
So you can publish your book, but it costs money. So first you have to create an account in order to make books. So I already made an account. So if you have an account but you don't know how to make books, we will show you how. So here are some examples of the books I made. So you can also do the same. So all you have to do is click create from the top over here.
Once you're in create, you'll see some pictures. You can choose one you like.
So if you have chosen the picture you want for your illustrations, just click the lightning bolt here and choose any kind of book you want to make. So here we're going to make a picture book. You can also start off with your cover,
And you can choose a landscape one, a classic one, anyone you like. So we're going to choose
and if you want to choose a picture, you can drag it from the page and you can type it in. So just go back here if you want to continue your story. So here, if you want to change this picture, remember you just have to drag it to the page, and to type, just press this box, and then you can type. So if you want to add more pages, you can click in this plus icon, and then remember you can also add any pictures you like and type your story. So if you want to publish it, you can press here, save and exit, and it will load. So here you can write a summary about the description of your book,
And if your book is still not finished, you can click this and then you'll see your book.
but no one else will see it in your class. It will be just private for yourself. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next video in Life is Better with Books channel. Bye!